What? Are you going to talk to me? What are you going to say? Oh, what? What are you going to say? Yes. Did you have fun today? Did you have fun today? What did you do today? Well, did you? I thought you slept all day. Did you do anything? What did you do? What? Oh, I hear tooting. Is that what you did? You did a big poop, huh? Did you do a big poop today? Yeah, you did. Felt good, didn't it? Yeah, did it feel good? Tell me what else you did. What? Well, tell me. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What did you do? Huh? Okay. What did you do today? Oh, did you? Yeah, you slept. That's what you did. Huh? 3 big naps. Did you eat? Yeah, you had a couple bottles, didn't you? What else did you do? What? You had the hiccups. Yeah, you had the hiccups today. Is that what you did? Huh? Did you have the hiccups today? Yeah, you did. And what else? What else did we do? What? You were swinging in your swinging chair. Yeah, you were. Yeah. What? You get mad your mama's coming home. Mama's gonna be here pretty soon. Yeah, she can give you a bottle. Okay? You want your mommy to feed you? She likes to feed you. Yeah. I see your tongue. Are you sticking out that tongue? Are you sticking out that tongue? Yeah. Oh, really? What? Mommy's coming. Where's Mommy? She's gonna feed you, okay? Can you wait a few more minutes? She'll be here in a couple minutes. Pap went to get Mommy, okay? Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait for Mommy. Bye. Bye-bye. We'll wait for Mommy.